Water is not only vital for general human health, but is also crucial for providing an energy boost, and can also improve your skin's appearance. Drinking enough water is proven to curb cravings, balance your internal body fluids, as well as keeping you hydrated, and improve your physical health. A good way to do this is to have an easily accessible source of good-tasting, crisp water that is always at the right temperature. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best bottom-loading water dispensers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. The fifth product on our list is the Brio bottom-loading water dispenser. It has a good-looking design with stainless steel accents that will look good in any office or other location. Compatible with 3 and 5 gallon bottles, this bottom-loading water dispenser offers 3 temperature settings. It provides instant water in hot, room, and cold temperatures. This water dispenser's child safety lock prevents burns, and its smart water level meter alerts you when it is time to change the bottle so that you don't have to keep opening the door and checking the water level. The removable drip tray is not only easy to clean but is BPA-free. It is recognized for its quiet operation and for the fact that it doesn't require any plumbing or mechanical work to install, although this should be a common feature with any water dispenser of this type. Up next in 4th place is the Yuhomi water cooler and dispenser. This water cooler and dispenser is bottom-loading, which eliminates the need for any heavy lifting, reducing overflow while also ensuring that anyone can easily replace the bucket. It can hold up to 3 to 5 gallons of water. Yuhomi water cooler allows you to choose between hot water, room temperature water, and cold water, so you can drink ice-cold water in the hot summer or have hot water readily available when it's cold. This bottom-loading water dispenser has built-in UV lights that purify the water, preventing harmful substances from accumulating in the water tank, and water pipeline. It has a child safety lock on the hot water nozzle so the whole family can use it without worrying about possible injury. This water cooler is also equipped with an LED nightlight which allows you to check the position of the water cup when you need to add water in the dark or middle of the night. Yuhomi water cooler is All-Energy Star certified. This unit has an empty bottle indicator, so when the water in the bottle runs out, the heating light and the cooling light flash at the same time to remind you to replace the water bottle. The third product on this list is the Primo bottom-loading water cooler. Are you worried about hot water accidents when your kids are playing around in the kitchen? This dispenser got your back with its child lock on the hot water dispense. This long-lasting stainless steel dispenser is UL listed and ENERGY STAR approved. You can get steaming hot, crisp cold, and room temperature water from the dispenser. The system reserves the water for you to dispense, making sure that you do not have to wait. It is compatible with 3 to 5 gallons of water bottles you can bottom load. It even has a night light to help you fill a glass in the middle of the night without spilling. The dispenser makes a little bit of noise when functioning, but it is not disruptive. You will have to connect the system with an electrical outlet and let it heat or cool the water before you start dispensing. Primo gives you a 1-year limited warranty. Still haven't found a bottom-loading water dispenser that meets your need? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The second product on our list is the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler and dispenser. It looks sleek and elegant, and is made with high-quality 304 stainless steel. This bottom-loading water cooler and dispenser comes with 3 temperature settings: hot, room temperature, and cold. A nice little addition to the sleek and elegant design is the night light is perfectly inlaid above the dispensers, ensuring you can always clearly see how much water you're getting. One of the core features of the Brio is its ability to self-clean. At the touch of a button, harmless ozone technology sanitizes your dispenser. The unit has a removable drip tray and child safety lock, and it is ENERGY STAR certified, as well. Finally, our top bottom loading water dispenser is the Avalon Water Cooler and Dispenser. This Avalon bottom loading water cooler is the perfect choice for your home or office needs. The elegant design on this bottom loading cooler features a hidden cabinet that can hold a 3 or 5 gallon water bottle. Avalon allows you to enjoy your hot beverages from home while still keeping your children safe with its built-in safety button. For energy savings and safety, it has individual switches to control your hot and cold water needs, with easy-to-reach switches on the back of your cooler. The Avalon's patented ozone feature is controlled by a switch on the back of your cooler, and allows you to run a self-cleaning function to prevent unwanted bacteria or mineral buildup in your hot and cold water tank. With the highest grade stainless steel water tank and a high-capacity compressor, the Avalon build quality is second to none, thereby ensuring consistently cold water day in and day out. The water spring is piping hot, and you can always enjoy a hot beverage on a cold day at the office. Quality and safety is of the utmost importance to Avalon. Avalon's all coolers are UL and Energy Star certified. Whether for your home or your office, the Avalon bottom loading water cooler will be with you for many years to come. We hope you found this list helpful and that it helped you pick the best bottom loading water dispenser for your needs. If not, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or concerns about our guide.